Hello and welcome to ITIL 4 Specialist Drive Stakeholder Value Certification Training Program from One World Training. Firstly, about One World Training. We are a global training company having our offices in the USA, UK, the Netherlands, India, Malaysia, United Arab Emirates, South Africa, and other countries globally. We provide training in IT, business management, project management, ISO standards, GDPR, and other topics for individuals as well as organizations. We deliver our courses in 5 ways: public classroom based, online from home or work, e learning, or a mixed approach of e learning along with in person support, or at the user's location for private and government organizations. One World Training is an authorized training center and endorsed by leading global professional bodies such as PeopleCert, Axelos, IPCert, PECB, etc. My name is Murali. My full name is Muralidhar Gadam. I'm a certified trainer and course advisor for various areas such as ITIL 4, Project Management Professional from PMI, Project and Control Environments from Excelos, Managing Successful Programs from Excelos, Value-Driven, Evolving, Responsive and Integrated Service Management from Exin, and DevOps as well. I have worked for several years in IT and project management in global corporations and worked with people across the globe. My experience in service management, software development, project and program management allows me to understand these subjects and present them in an understandable manner. We would like to acknowledge Axelos as we have used their guidances in our training materials. Let us take a look at the certification scheme for ITIL 4. We have firstly the ITIL Foundation, which covers all the basic concepts in ITIL 4, which is service management, followed by the next level, which is the Managing Professional or MP. In order to reach that level, you would require 4 certifications, which are namely the Specialist Create, Deliver and Support, Specialist Drive Stakeholder Value, Specialist High Velocity IT, and Strategist Direct Plan and Improve. To reach the Strategic Leader certification, you require 2 certifications, which are Strategist Direct Plan and Improve and Leader Digital and IT Strategy. The DPI or the Direct Plan and Improve, which is a strategist certification, is common to both the MP attainment and the SL attainment. Those who have the V3 expert level or have at least 17 credits from V3 may directly write the MP transition exam and reach ITIL 4 MP level. All the ITIL 4 exams are based on a publication for each certification. So we have the foundation certification based on the foundation publication. Similarly, the Create, Deliver and Support, Drive Stakeholder Value, High Velocity IT, Direct Plan and Improve, Digital and IT Strategy. This training is particularly about the Drive Stakeholder Value or DSV. There are also practice documents published separately. There are 34 practices in ITIL 4. There are no separate publications for Managing Professional because within the Managing Professional, we have 4 certifications and therefore 4 guidances or publications. Let us understand how the publications are connected with the syllabus for the exams. Each Managing Professional syllabus, for example, the Drive Stakeholder Value, such as this one, includes some information from that publication, from Axelos, and also some of the practice publications such as business analysis, though not all the practices. And from each publication, there is relevant content for the exam. And from every publication, there is some content which is not part of the exam. The MP level exams have questions only at Bloom's Level 2 and Bloom's Level 3. Level 2 is about understanding of concepts, methods, and principles, whereas Bloom's Level 3 is about application of those concepts, methods, and principles, and also using some information from the practices. There are no analysis questions, which are Bloom's Level 4 questions. The exam lasts for 1.5 hours with 40 multiple choice questions, no negative marking, 1 mark per question or per right answer, and 28 required to pass from the 40. The exam is monitored. It's a closed book exam. There are no case studies. However, every question may be an understanding question or an application question based on the understanding and the concept, principles, and methods. Those who have non-native English mother tongue will get a slightly extra time beyond the 1.5 hours. This certification, Drive Stakeholder Value, is for professionals who are responsible for managing and interfacing with stakeholders and fostering relationships to gain value realization. In particular, for those who design or manage customer journeys and experiences and manage customer demands and expectations. Therefore, this module will provide you with the skills and knowledge to effectively manage stakeholders and target them with the right service offerings and value propositions. Ensure that value co-creation is the goal for all value streams. Establish consumers and producers as multi-dependent, ensuring that value is always mutually agreed and requirements are prioritized. The term multi-dependent means everything is done mutually. There are dependencies on each other. Keep customers front of mind and adopt a service mindset. Integrate human-centered design, customer experience, CX, user experience, UX, and customer journey mapping to deliver services that delight. Build trusted relationships with stakeholders and develop effective and timely communications. The learning objectives in this course are the following. Understand how customer journeys are designed. Know how to target markets and stakeholders. Know to foster stakeholder relationships. Know how to shape demand and define service offerings. Know to align expectations and agree details of services. Know how to onboard and offboard customer and users. Know how to act together to ensure continual value co-creation for consumption and provisioning of services. And finally, know how to realize and validate service value. These are all parts of the exam syllabus, which is split into 8 different sections. The list of sections or topics to be covered in this Drive Stakeholder Value course. We begin with the concept of customer journeys and journey mapping, followed by the 7 steps of the customer journey. The first step being the explore step. It is about targeting markets and stakeholders, followed by the engage step to foster stakeholder relationships, including the practices of relationship management and supply management, followed by offer step wherein the demand is shaped and service offerings are defined with the practice of business analysis. Then the next step is the agree step where expectations are aligned and services are agreed after negotiations. The service level management practice is relevant here in this step. The onboard step is about onboarding or even offboarding customers and users, with the practices involved being service catalog management and the service desk. Co-creation is about the value co-creation. And finally, realize, which is realization of value using the practice of portfolio management. That brings us to the end of this introduction section. Thank you.